I am hungry. How about we eat bishbarmақ today? I'm gonna cook bishbarmақ. Let's go. Bishbarmақ. Oh. Is this? Маленький нету. Oh, this is for bishbarmақ. What we cook bishbarmақ with. Bishbarmақ is not complete without egg. Potatoes. Boiling water, we add some. We're gonna wait for the water to boil for about 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Then we add our bishbarmақ in the water. Meat in the bishbarmақ. Bishbarmақ is not complete without meat. This is my first time ever cooking bishbarmақ. Don't get me wrong, I'm doing my best. I don't know how to cook bishbarmақ. I'm just trying. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Hopefully it's gonna be kusne. It's my first time, don't judge me. Bishbarmақ goes into this. Yo, baby! When I get married, I'm gonna be cooking a lot. I love cooking, honestly. I really love cooking. And my wife is not gonna be, she's not gonna go through any hard time because I love cooking. I've been staying alone for a long time, so I know how to cook. I know how to take care of myself. I literally know how to do literally everything. And now, I'm cooking bishbarmақ. Main Kazakh. Tot kara. Now I'm cooking bishbarmақ. I don't know how many minutes. We're gonna drain our bishbarmақ. Out. Oh, hell no. Oh, ha ha ha. Here is our bishbarmақ. I'm gonna add some egg. I'm gonna add some potatoes and whoa, it's looking good, not bad. And here we have a meat. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh. And here you have it, bishbarmақ. And here you have it. Oh, beshbarmақ is not complete without onions. Here we have it, beshbarmақ. Beshbarmақ you eat with your hands, potatoes. Not bad. My first time making beshbarmақ. Say with that, meat. I hate canned meat, really, really hate it. Egg. Meat. Beef meat. I don't like. I really don't like canned meat. It's not healthy. Potatoes. Bismillah. I did my best. It's my first time ever to cook beshbarmақ. Have you seen a black guy cooking beshbarmақ? Choni.